Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. August the 11th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. No turnaround Tuesday. No soup for you. Stock market making a little bit of a comeback. Right now the time is 3 p.m., 3:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I wouldn't be surprised to see the stock market make a comeback. And if you've been a listener of mine, you know, like for me, I just can't get bearish on the stock market. I've been so bearish. This pullback is killing me because I'm looking for that shooting star. I'm looking for that monster reversal. Big one. Up 200, 30 handles in the S&Ps and then down on the day in your face. Then I know we got a reversal. But, this kind of pullback, that's all it is, just a freaking pullback. So, again, looking at this dollar index, I would be tempted to tell you, it's topping out. But, with the stock market looking weak, this baby held a nice big move, just a little breather. Now, the fact that we didn't take our previous day high is certainly a negative. Certainly a big negative. So as far as the dollar index is concerned, if we don't take out this whole 79.40 level, I'm going to be a little bit nervous. I'm going to be very nervous. And let's turn to our gold. Well, this is the S&P futures. And I'm drawing for you a nice little channel line here. That's 925 on the S&Ps. We're at 996. So should the S&Ps really roll over, and, again, we need to take out this whole 978 level, certainly 975. We would have to take out the downside. I'd love to tell you I think that's over. The stock market's going to collapse. I just don't know. Labor costs out of the U.S. up labor costs down 5.8%. Productivity up huge. The best workers are left. You're firing your crap, keeping your good. And labor costs going down tremendously. Why do you think corporate earnings was so good in the S&P 500? Exactly for that same reason. Labor costs, they've chopped away at it and left with profits. So, I'd love to tell you we need to break more. This just isn't convincing me. Yes, this is looking like a nice reversal. We take out Friday's lows. That would be big. So we'll see. Let's take a look. If you're going to listen to my show, gold, oh baby. Take a look, pulling in. I say 940. Gold maybe with a doji today. I'm tempted to be bearish on the dollar a little bit here. Tempted. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Oil, oh baby, going to 66. Route 66, another $3.30 to the downside. Oh baby, it's coming. So, looking at those charts, as we see here, again, with the dollar index still holding this nice little breakout. Still, obviously, this is a very short-term chart. There's only a month and a half. But I have to say that with the quarterly inflation report coming out tonight, this move I don't think is over. I think London's going to drop another bomb. Oh, baby. Cable did a little breather today. Cable held in, has a little doji. Maybe cable rallies a little bit into the quarterly inflation report. But looking at this dollar index, again, we certainly could pull back and then maybe have a nice little push forward. But to me, obviously to me, this last move was the easy part. Now tonight is the difficult part. It was easy to call the dollar rally the last 2 days, technically and everything. Now is the hard part. So let's take a look at some of our charts and see what we see. Euro dollar showing a little sign of strength, holding up this whole channel line. And I'll tell you what, we cracked through it. Oh, baby. This 40 level now is huge. Do I think we're going to break through it? Yes, I do. What's going to happen if we don't? You want to be long. So this euro against 141 is probably a nice long. Inside day, held up fairly well. Big move down. Holding this channel line here. I'm tempted to get more bullish on the dollar right now. Bearish on the dollar. Bullish on the euro. Dollar yen. Man, got smoked in that today. Great day overall, but still, dollar yen, I swear, this thing just gives you fits. Look at that. Monster breakout. Can't hold it. I'll tell you what, though, really. Notice how it touched the 10 exponential. Notice how it touched the 10 EMA. I'm getting long. I'm getting long against today's lows, that's for sure. Should today's lows be breached? Okay, you got to get out. But I think dollar yen looks good. And I think that's one of the reasons why dollar index, again, was so weak. Dollar yen not a big portion of it, but still. All right, here we go. Big trade tonight in cable. Big. One way or the other. Now, cable's busted, as we know. Cable is busted. BUSTD busted. And I think any rally in sterling into this quarterly inflation report has got to be negative. Listen, the Bank of England came out and they're adding money. They're buying more. Why? Because things suck over there. And at least they're willing to admit it. And when we look at this chart here, any rally up to 66, even a little below it. Certainly you have a doji. Certainly you have a double bottom. Took it out barely the previous day lows, but still held. So I would imagine we might get a little rally in cable up to 66. I'm tempted to get long. But again, before that quarterly inflation report, I want to be short. That's at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. We also have plenty of data coming out before that. 4:30, claimant count change, average earnings. Unemployment rate supposed to tick up to 7.7%. Eurozone industrial production coming out also. That's going to be suck. Euro sterling, nice little reversal here. Didn't really hit that channel line. Didn't really hit our profit target at all. But should this euro sterling bust on through, which I think it's going to tonight, might pull back a little bit before. But I think we're going to plow ahead. And should we plow ahead, we could be talking to the moon. Well, 88. Certainly, again, my channel line up here. Notice how those two lines intersect. Gee. So we break out, baby. Gone like the wind. 88. Here we come. All right, let's do the carry trade. Well, Aussie dollar I want to do. Obviously, I showed you that yesterday. Aussie dollar rolling over. I got my support from the breakout coming up, 82. Big support there. 30 EMA. Big spot. Aussie is busted. Look at that. Big down day. So commodity currency is certainly telling us something. Dollar Canada to the moon. I hope you got that, baby. It's going higher. Dollar Canada was tremendous for us the last 2 days. And again, that China story, I think, had, some responsibility to do. Oh, no, my Twitter's down. No twitting. And again, we're looking at, 113.50. I mean, this baby is gone. We're going to get another shot at that Euro Canada, people. Euro Canada busting out today. Take a look. Big move. This Euro Canada really might give us a shot. Look at that quadruple top coming. Oh, please, give me one more shot at this. I'll ride it down the whole freaking way. This thing might go to 160. This thing could go to 160. That big a move, another 400 pips. Oh, baby. Will it go straight there? Well, look what happened the last time we started a big rally in this thing. This thing broke out today. It's gone. Like the wind. I love saying that. All right. New Zealand also reversed, too, today to the downside. Look at that euro yen. Nice bearish engulfing. Oh. I want to be so short this. I want to tell you people to load the boat and sell everything and just load up on puts. I don't know. I'm not convinced. Stock market's rolling over a little bit late in the day, that's for sure, down 77, but I don't know. Probably is going to have a comeback. No real reversal today. Obviously, there's still an hour and 45 minutes left. I don't think it's going to happen. Maybe we rally a little bit, but certainly it looks like to me, unless we really rally more, that we're going to come in another day, one more day. But I'm staying away. Listen, I'm dollar bearish, bullish. I am euro bearish. I think we're going to crack through 141 tonight. I think cable might even rally a little bit into it, but then you sell it in the quarterly inflation report. Let's look at that sterling yen. Certainly, nice support. Right around the 30. El Cable yen. Ay, ay, ay. Certainly, again, not closing very well. Looks terrible. And looks like we're going to have one more day, maybe reverse tomorrow. But I don't think so. I think, again, I could be dead wrong about the quarterly inflation report, but I don't think I am. And I think it's a sell, sell, sell. Andrew Spanton, info at globalfxradio.com. Last night, I think 10 o'clock tonight, it's gone. No summer special. No soup for you.